Welcome back to Everything English, the channel that's dedicated to enhancing your English vocabulary skills. Today's word of the day is indulgent. During the holidays, we tend to be indulgent with delicious treats and festive meals. Indulgent is an adjective that means being lenient, permissive, or excessively generous, especially in satisfying desires or wishes. The grandparents were indulgent with their grandchildren, allowing them to have extra playtime and treats. In this example, indulgent is used to describe the grandparents' lenient and permissive behavior towards their grandchildren, giving them additional playtime and treats. After a long week of work, she treated herself to an indulgent spa day, pampering herself with massages and facials. Here, indulgent is used to highlight her act of being excessively generous to herself by enjoying a luxurious spa day. Synonyms for indulgent include lenient, permissive, and generous. Antonyms are strict, disciplined, and restrictive. We hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.